Calape Sports Center in Calape, Bohol.
It's game time!
But before we get all to that, let me present to you the game number 3 of the best of 3 finals. Winner take all. Do or die mga higala. This is TAGBILARAN City versus JAGNA for the Juniors Division Championship of the Governor's Cup 2023. Again, I am Juan Anthony Palmoria commentating for you today. And with me is Mr. Clovis Llorente breaking the game down for you guys tonight. So partner, unsa man itong match-up karon partner?
Okay, kani nga match-up corner, very interesting, no? Very exciting. Both teams partner winning on different style. Ato makita ang Tagbilaran set kayo ang ilang mga set plays and kining JAGNA partner sayod tang grabe ka intense ang ilang play. Very one sila sa fast break nga game. So we will witness today partner no sa usa ka very thrilling nga dula.
As we see, Tagbilaran scoring the first 2 points of the game.
Okay, ito makita partner no ang Tagbilaran though dili kayo dagko ang ilang mga players but they make up for the kuan sa ilahang mga set plays.
As Morata, the star player for Tagbilaran, with another 2 points. This is Salarda. And a traveling violation.
Turnover. Tagbilaran's ball.
Saka tagamay. Okay ra ma'am.
This is Morata for 3.
No good.
Fast break for JAGNA. Golondrina attacks and is foul.
Wow.
So early part sa game partner ato makita no ang play sa JAGNA is on a fast play.
Pasaga.
Dili and die sa ilang fast play partner tungod sa ilahang size.
Sakto
Dili
gyud,
sila
partner.
kayo big partner, dili sila dagko nga mga players compared sa Tagbilaran team.
And JAGNA is really taking advantage no of their size nga pas-pas gid kayo sila partner. And,
Correct partner.
fast breaks and shooting threes partner.
Correct partner.
As Golondrina makes the first free throw. This is the first quarter of our Game 3, the Governor's Cup Juniors Division Finals. Golondrina makes both free throws. Tagbilaran on the other end.
I think partner Tagbilaran is using another set of players sa ilang starting five.
And Loceliano bumps Nunez for another 2 points. So ato pong makita diri partner no, Tagbilaran is using their size inside
Yes,
early.
correct partner.
Physical nilang JAGNA first early in the game.
Very physical ang Tagbilaran partner.
Ball on jersey number 4.
They're using the entry pass partner nga to silang big man si Mr. Loceliano.
Postan.
They're capitalizing the size of Loceliano who is very effective sa ilawang
And
partner.
he's taking advantage both partner
Correct,
with
partner.
the 2 points. Let's see what JAGNA will do here. Golondrina drives, kicks it out, Bero for 3. Hamora offensive rebound. And that is a foul
Ball on jersey number 39.
on Team JAGNA.
Jake Nunez. First personal foul. First team foul.
7 minutes remaining partner pero tanaw na to ang intensity sa dula. Grabe ka intense partner.
This is what you expect po in a game 3 partner, do or die.
Correct,
Kay
partner.
Muda Ogan ay champion na gyud for the first ever Governor's Cup. Tagbilaran with another 2 points in the paint.
That was a very nice assist partner.
That was again Mr. Loceliano providing the play in underneath. Golondrina for 3. Bang!
For 3!
That is the first three-pointer, partner, of Hagna, which is
Yes.
the specialty of their game.
Yes, partner. Noted ang Hagna, partner. Usa ka shooting team, partner.
And Localiano,
Nico Localiano.
Nico Localiano, stepping up on this final game of the season.
Yes, correct, partner.
Nunez wants to answer. And Nunez answers.
Nunez.
Ato ma-feel, partner, ang intensity, no? Even ang mga players, they can feel the intensity tungod kay 10 sila, partner. Another
Localiano!
Localiano.
Nico Localiano.
Localiano with 6 points early in the first quarter, partner. This is Zamora. Aliup! Salarda! Lumipad!
Wala makomplete ang alley-oop pass,
Sayang.
partner.
Sayang, partner. Cross court to Murata, to Localiano again. But still,
Interception by number 17.
Salarda all the way!
Another plus play, partner, for Team Hagna.
Muna tong gingon, partner, no nga, Hagna is the fast break team, yun.
Correct,
That
correct,
is
partner.
their advantage. Hagna playing against the zone. Misses. Salarda slows it down for his teammates. To Zamora. He wants the three. No go. Rebound. Nakuha ni Nunez. Tubero. Another three. Wala pa rin, partner. Turnover by Tagbilaran. Zamora. He drives against Localiano. Nice drop pass. Salarda lumipad! Oh!
Ato makita, partner, no, grabe ang improvement on level o quality sa play sa ato mga juniors division karon, partner. Very kuha na sila, partner. Improve na kayo,
And
partner.
very competitive, partner.
Correct, correct, partner.
Localiano again!
Yes.
This is
Unstoppable si Localiano karon nga quarter, partner.
This is Nico Localiano's game, mga higala. 8 points early in the first quarter for Team Tagbilaran City. 4 minutes and 30 seconds left in the quarter. Salarda, sumaksak, drop to Nunez, short jumper, it's now good. Golondrina gets it. He drives, drops again to Nunez. 2 misses in a row for Nunez. Tagbilaran counter-attack. Ooh, what a defensive rebound by Zamora. Salarda, oh, lumipad, oh! Oh, my! Blocking foul on Nico Localiano.
Foul on jersey number 10, John Nico Localiano. First personal foul, 3 team fouls. Substitution. Aping for Custan, Bautista for Pasaga.
4 minutes remaining, partner, sa atong first quarter.
Yes.
Ang running score is 14 for Tagbilaran and 11 for Team Hagna.
Very back and forth game, partner. Both teams are giving it their all. Wala na ugma. Do or die.
Correct, partner, correct. Atong gibalik pag paibalo, partner, no, nga both teams winning on different style during sa ilang elimination round and sa quarterfinal. So ilang ipakita karon, partner, sa final round and championship game, do or die game nga grabe ka intense ang ilahang performance, partner.
Salarda's first free throw is good. And Salarda.
Substitution. Antupina for Localiano.
Tagbilaran City. Abing is rotating. It's Antopina. So sa
Foul.
nakaroon si Localiano
Foul on
partner.
jersey
This is
number-
Antopina.
Another big man from Tagbilaran City, partner. Equally big and also very skilled partner nga player.
14, George Hamora. First personal foul, second team foul.
This is only a 1-point lead for Tagbilaran City as Antopina looks to make it 2, but he misses on the first try. Shout out Takaran partner sa atong 13.4k live viewers. Grabe, 13.4k live viewers.
Salamat partner sa atong mga live viewers. Live stream na to sa FB.
Antopina only makes 1 out of 2 free throws and Tagbilaran City leads by 2.
Interception by Morata.
Morata, Skies, Morata miss. Abing for the offensive board and the putback
James
jumper.
Calape.
Hamora, back to Golondrina. He drives, drops it off. Salarda, Amper, no! His own rebound. Amper drops it, but is out of bounds. Ball to Tagbilaran City.
Out of bounds, Tagbilaran's ball. Timeout, Team Hagna.
So this is the first time out of the game, no partner? 17-13 labaw ang Tagbilaran City.
Time is 3 minutes and 12 seconds. First quarter. Both teams partner, wala pa sa penalty partner. Both effective ang ilang defense. Both teams partner, wala pa both teams sa penalty.
Sakto good partner. So they are playing disciplined defense partner, no?
Correct,
And
correct.
not fouling and smart defense good.
Akong balik pag paibalo partner, no, ang atong mga players karon sa junior division, very skilled na partner, no. Unlike before, nag-improve na karon ang level of play sa atong mga batanon. So hopefully partner sa next season, this will be a very big platform na pod sa ato ang mga
Back to the ball
kabatanunan
game
to improve
with 3
better pag yun
minutes
partner.
and 12
Sakto
seconds
good partner.
remaining
And
time for the first
we
quarter.
will be back for the 3 minutes and 12 seconds of the first quarter. So again, this is the game 3 of the Governor's Cup 2023 Juniors Division. Tagbilaran is playing against the zone again. Jumper. Ooh, Abing blocked. Abing is blocked by Hamora. Counter attack. Hamora crossover. Golondrina to Hamora. Fakes. Tough defense there. Fast break. And Bautista is going for the easy 2 points.
Bautista.
Bautista, another ace player of Team Tagbilaran.
The point guard.
Yes. Though small in size partner but big in heart and also in skill.
Foul. Ball on jersey number 9, Bautista. First personal foul, Bautista. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Makwa for Urata.
Di maki-
10-second shot clock.
Hamora
George Hamora.
with the easy reverse layup of the inbounds pass. 19-15, upat ang labaw sa Tagbilaran City. Abing. Floater. Antopina for the board. And
Good
Antopina.
putback by Antopina.
Antopina.
Backs out good si Antopina, no partner?
Using his size partner.
Using his size to, against the smaller Hagna. Pero for 3. In and out. But offensive board. And Amper puts it back.
Jefferson upper.
Gibausan partner og putback sa Team Hagna.
Correct partner. Amper also as reliable player sa ilawang partner for Team Hagna.
Hagna is rotating. Tagbilaran City rather. Tagbilaran City is rotating the ball
Substitution.
well in this
Pumatong for
Hagna zone defense.
Pundo.
Yes, correct, partner. You notice, partner, basta zone defense ang
13
ipa-iral sa
seconds
usa ka team.
shot clock.
Ang
13 seconds
gamiton nga set
shot
play
clock.
is outside shooting. Okay.
Okay,
Drive
partner.
and kick pass.
Kick pass. What a drop pass by Abu. Sorry, miss there by Makwa. Hamora is running. On the other end, Hamora kicks it out. Golondrina for three. Another
Golondrina
three!
for 3.
That is Golondrina's second three-pointer of the game,
Okay.
partner.
One of the shooter of Team Hagna, partner. Reliable also.
Steal! And a foul.
Kickball.
This is 1 minute left in the first quarter. The score is 21 to
59
20.
seconds.
Grabe ang intensity sa atong game diri, partner.
Correct, partner. No, we're almost to end the first quarter. Yeah. Dikit kayo ang atong score. Only 1 point lead for Team Tagbilaran. And time remaining is 53 seconds and 53.29 seconds.
Golondrina thinks about the three. This is Hamora. Spin move. Hamora, a Euro step
10 seconds.
out
shot
to
clock.
Golondrina. Underneath. Amper, no. Steal by Tagbilaran City. 35 seconds left. Abing, pass, Makwa, 2 points.
George Makwa.
20 seconds left
20
in the first
seconds.
quarter. In this back and forth, intense matchup between Tagbilaran City and Hagna.
10 seconds.
Last possession for Hagna. Golondrina lays it up and lays it in.
Golondrina.
Walay ni tapal sa Tagbilaran na partner,
Correct,
nakalusot.
partner. Nice intelligent play by the point guard of Hagna, partner. Atong score, partner, trailing kayo, no? 1 point lead for Tagbilaran City.
Grabe.
23-22.
End of the first quarter, our official score, Hagna 22, Tagbilaran 23.
And that is the end of the first quarter.